హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 44. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, delimiting and synchronization of data exchange is provided by dash. Option A, application layer. Option B, session layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, link layer. Answer just say option B, session layer. Second bit, OSI stands for dash. Option A, Open System Interconnection. Option B, Operating System Interface. Option C, Optical Service Implementation. Option D, Open Service Internet. Answer just say option A, Open System Interconnection. Third bit, which addresses is used on the internet for employing the TCP/IP protocols? Option A, physical addresses and logical addresses. Option B, port addresses. Option C, specific addresses. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option D, all of the mentioned. Fourth bit, which layer is responsible for process to process delivery in a general network model? Option A, network layer. Option B, transport layer. Option C, section layer. Option D, data link layer. Answer just say option B, transport layer. Fifth bit, which addresses is used to identify a process on a host by the transport layer? Option A, physical addresses. Option B, logical addresses. Option C, port addresses. Option D, specific addresses. Answer just say option C, port addresses. Sixth bit, transmission data rate is decided by dash. Option A, network layer. Option B, physical layer. Option C, data link layer. Option D, transport layer. Answer just say option B, physical layer. Seventh bit, the physical layer provides dash. Option A, mechanical specialization of electrical connectors and cables. Sorry friends, first option, mechanical specification of electrical connectors and cables. Option B, electrical specification of transmissions line signal level. Option C, specification for IR over optic fiber. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option D, all of the mentioned. Eighth bit, the physical layer is responsible for dash. Option A, line coding. Option B, channel coding. Option C, modulation. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option D, all of the mentioned. Ninth bit, a signal channel is shared by multi-signals by dash. Option A, analog modulation. Option B, digital modulation. Option C, multiplexing. Option D, phase modulation. Answer just say option C, multiplexing. 10th bit, wireless transmission of signals can be done via dash. Option A, radio waves. Option B, microwaves. Option C, infrared. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option D, all of the mentioned. 11th bit, which of the following task is not done by data link layer? Option A, framing. Option B, error control. Option C, flow control. Option D, channel coding. Answer just say option D, channel coding. 12th bit, CRC stands for dash. Option A, cyclic redundance check. Option B, code repeat check. Option C, code redundance check. Option D, cyclic repeat check. Answer just say option A, cyclic redundance check. 13th bit, the network layer is concentrated with dash of data. Option A, bits. Option B, frames. Option C, packets. Option D, bytes. Answer just say option C, packets. 14th bit, Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Option A, routing. Option B, internetworking. Option C, error control. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, error control. 15th bit. A 4-byte IP addresses consist of dash. Option A, only network addresses. Option B, only host addresses. Option C, network addresses and host addresses. Option D, network addresses and MAC addresses. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, network addresses and host addresses. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలానే నా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటి వరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోయి ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.